Namaskar friends and welcome to Shuboudhay GK and Current Affairs channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel, watch the video till the end, like it and share it. In this video, we are going to see 10 tallest statues of the world. In the year 2003, the tallest statue of the world is Statue of Unity. It is the statue of Sri Bhai Patel. He was the first Deputy Prime Minister and the Home Minister of India from 1947 to 1950. Location of this statue is at Sardar Sarovar Dam, Narmada district, Gujarat, India. The height of this statue is 182 meters. In feet, it is 597 feet. The total monument height is 240 meters, including the standing base. It was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the 143 birthday anniversary of Sri Bhai Patel on 31st October 2018. Sri Sardar Bhai Patel is also known as the Iron Man of India. The statue is made by bronze-cladded concrete supported by the steel. Second tallest statue of the world is Spring Temple Buddha. Location is Lushan County, Henan, China. The height of the statue is 128 meters. In feet, it is 420 feet. Including the base, it is 208 meters. It is the world's second tallest statue and formed in the center of the lotus-shaped seat. The statue is depicting Vairochana Buddha. Vairochana means illuminator in Sanskrit. Otherwise, we can call Mahayana Buddha. The material used to make the statue is copper. The year of completion was on 1st September 2008. Total cost for the construction of this statue is $55 million. Actually, the monument stands upon a top of a slope that has been altered to make two more pedestals. The third tallest statue of the world is Lake in Sikya. It is located in Katakan town near Moniwa in Myanmar. The height of the statue is 116 meters. In feet, it is 380 feet. The total height of the monument is 129.2 meters. In feet, 424 feet. This statue depicts standing Gautam Buddha next to a reclining statue of Buddha. It shows Mahaparinirvana. The year of completion is 1998. The fourth tallest statue of the world is the Statue of Belief, Vishwasa Swarupam. Location is Nathadwara, Rajasthan. The height of the statue is 112 meters, that is 367 feet. The statue is depicting Lord Shiva. The year of completion is in 2020, but it was inaugurated on 29th of October 2022. The material used is steel framing reinforced by concrete and brass-coated bronze cladding. Statue of Belief is the world's tallest statue of Lord Shiva. Next tallest statue of the world is Ushuku Daibatustu, and it is located at Ushuku, Japan. The height of the statue is 100 meters, that is 330 feet. The total height is 120 meters. This statue is depicting Buddha, that is Amitabha. It was completed in the year 1993. It was the highest statue in the world from 1993 to 2008. The sixth tallest statue of the world is Sendai Daikonnan. It is a statue of a goddess. The height of the statue is 92 meters and in feet it is 302 feet. The total height is 100 meters, in feet 330 feet. Location is Sendai, Japan. It was inaugurated in the year 1991. The statue depicts Kannan, that is Avalokiteshvara. It was the world's highest statue from 1991 to 1993. The seventh tallest statue of the world is Gushan Gaonyan. The height of the statue is 99 meters, that is 325 feet. The location is Waishan, Changsha, Hunan, China. The statue depicts Gaonyan 11-headed and 1,000-armed Gaonian. The year of completion was 2009. This Gaonian statue with 11 heads and 1,000 arms shows the Bodhisattva. The 8th tallest statue of the world is Thailand's Great Buddha. The height of the statue is 93 meter, that is 305 feet. The location of the statue is Ang Thong, Thailand. This statue depicts Gautam Buddha, the big Gautam Buddha of Thailand. It is also known as the Great Buddha. So, it was inaugurated in the year 2008. It is the second largest statue in the Southern Asia. The 9th tallest statue of the world is Kitano Mayapako Park's Dayakannan. The height of the statue is 88 meter, that is 289 feet. The location is Ashibistu, Hokkaido, Japan. This statue depicting Kannan, that is Avalokiteshvara. The year of completion is 1989. It was the world's largest statue from 1989 to 1991. This is the third highest monument in Japan. The 10th tallest statue of the world is Mother of all Asia, the Tower of Peace. The height of the statue is 88 meter, that is 289 feet. Location is Pakilatan, Batangas City, Philippines. The statue depicts Virgin Mary. The year of completion is 2021. It is the tallest statue in Philippines and tallest statue of Virgin Mary in the world. So friends, these are the 10 tallest statues of the world. If you like this video, please share it, click on the like button, subscribe it and support my channel. Thank you. Jai Hind.